Have you ever wondered how defense research organizations shape a nation's security landscape? These silent warriors are crucial in maintaining national security, ensuring readiness against potential threats and forging the path for future innovations. Today, we're going to delve into the world of two such global pioneers in defense research, India's Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, and the United States Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, known as DARPA. They're not just organizations, but pillars of their respective nations, safeguarding borders and skies with their cutting-edge technology. They stand as testaments to human ingenuity, harnessing the power of science and technology to protect and serve. Their work ranges from developing advanced combat vehicles and nuclear medicine to pioneering cyber warfare and autonomous systems. So buckle up for an intriguing journey into the world of defense research and innovation. These organizations are the silent warriors, ensuring national security through technological advancements. Born in the same year, 1958, both DRDO and DARPA have unique journeys to share. Starting with India's DRDO, nestled in the bustling city of New Delhi with a network of 52 laboratories across India. It functions under the umbrella of the Ministry of Defense Government of India. Now, let's hop across the globe to DARPA, residing in Arlington, Virginia, operating under the United States Department of Defense. Switching gears to the financial side, DRDO boasts a budget of roughly 19,000 crore rupees, translating to around $2.5 billion for the fiscal year 2022 to 2023. This constitutes a significant chunk of India's defense budget. DARPA, on the other hand, operates with a budget of approximately $3.4 billion for the year 2022, which interestingly only forms a small fraction of the US defense budget. The financial resources at their disposal are a testament to their pivotal role in defense research. While both organizations are committed to defense technology, their research focus areas exhibit fascinating differences. The DRDO, for instance, has a broad spectrum of expertise, from aeronautics and armaments to life sciences and nuclear medicine. This reflects India's diverse defense needs, spanning land, sea, and air. On the flip side, DARPA's research interests lean towards the cutting edge, encompassing advanced materials, autonomous systems, and even biotechnology. This reveals the United States' focus on staying ahead of the curve, ready to meet the challenges of the future head-on. Even within shared areas of interest, such as electronics and materials science, DRDO and DARPA's approach diverges. DRDO's work in these areas is often guided by immediate application, while DARPA focuses on long-term transformative potential. In essence, while both organizations are committed to advancing defense technology, their paths and priorities are shaped by their unique geopolitical context. Their diverse research interests reflect the unique defense needs of their respective nations. Both DRDO and DARPA have a rich portfolio of projects and collaborations. Let's delve into some of the notable projects undertaken by these organizations. DRDO has been instrumental in developing key defense systems for India. Take the Tejas light combat aircraft, for instance, a testament to their prowess in aeronautics. Then there's the Arjun main battle tank, a shining example of their expertise in combat vehicles. The Akash surface-to-air missile and the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile are further evidence of their commendable contributions in missile technology. On the other side of the globe, DARPA's projects have not only bolstered the United States defense capabilities, but also transformed the world as we know it. Their initial work on ARPANET laid the foundation for what we now know as the Internet. How about the Global Positioning System, or GPS as we commonly know it? Yep, that was DARPA too. Their work on autonomous vehicles and advanced prosthetics also showcased their relentless push towards the future. Now let's talk about collaborations. DRDO has a knack for fostering strong partnerships with Indian defense industries and academia, but their collaborations aren't just limited to domestic partners. They've also teamed up with international players such as the United States, Israel, and Russia to further their research endeavors. DARPA, too, has a robust network of collaborations. They've partnered with US defense industries and academia, leveraging their expertise to accelerate innovation. Their international collaborations extend to the United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada, reflecting their global approach to research and development. From the development of sophisticated defense systems to forging influential partnerships, Both DRDO and DARPA have shown their commitment to advancing defense technology. Their projects aren't just about creating weapons for warfare, but about pushing the boundaries of what's possible and, in the process, often transforming our everyday lives. These projects and collaborations are a testament to their relentless pursuit of technological superiority in defense. So how do DRDO and DARPA stack up against each other? If you look at the funding, DARPA, with a budget of approximately $3.4 billion, has a considerable financial advantage over DRDO, which operates with a budget around $2.5 billion. This funding disparity impacts the scope and scale of the projects each can undertake. In terms of research focus, both organizations are committed to pushing the boundaries of defense technology. However, DARPA's research areas are more diverse and futuristic, with a greater emphasis on emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and space tech. Meanwhile, DRDO's work tends to be more conservative, focusing on areas like aeronautics, armaments, and combat vehicles. When we talk about the success rate of projects, it's important to note that DARPA is known for its high-risk, high-reward approach. This method can lead to a higher failure rate, but also the potential for groundbreaking innovation. On the other hand, DRDO's more cautious approach may yield fewer failures, but also fewer leaps in technology. Looking at collaborations, both organizations work with a variety of partners, but DARPA's international collaborations are more extensive and diverse. This network might give DARPA an edge in terms of accessing a wider range of expertise and resources. And finally, let's consider the impact. Both organizations have made significant contributions to their respective countries' defense capabilities. But it's worth noting that DARPA's innovations like the internet and GPS technology have transformed not just the defense sector, but the global technology landscape. In conclusion, while DARPA might have the upper hand in terms of funding and diversity of research, DRDO's focused approach and consistent contributions to India's defense capabilities are commendable. It's not a competition, though. Each organization has its unique strengths and is indispensable in its role of safeguarding their respective nation's security. So let's appreciate the vital work done by both DRDO and DARPA. While each organization has its unique strengths, both play a crucial role in safeguarding their respective nation's security.